Hi, this is Ilma Art Studio's photograph for today. It's called Mill Creek Trail, this trail that we usually go. It's near, probably 5 minutes away from my house. Hi, check my website at ilmaarts.com for more artworks and photographs. Today I'd like to share Isaiah 61 verse 3. It says, "To all who mourn in Israel, he will give a crown of beauty for ashes, a joyous blessing instead of mourning, festive praise instead of despair." Here's my poem. Crown of beauty for ashes. Have you been grieving for something lost? You have been promised a crown from the Lord. This crown replaces all the pain from your losses. He will replace all the ashes of death with beauty. The Lord gives you hope when there is despair. He will bring you to a resolution and find a way. Run to the Lord for all your cares and burdens. He will restore and bring you closer to heaven. Here's my essay. For 5 decades, the enemy have kept me in bondage from all the pain that traumatic experiences and losses brought in my life. There were stages in these years that I was in deep despair. I was blinded by the enemy to keep believing the lies that I have learned since I was a small child. I had no idea that there were many promises to those who love the Lord, until I became born again and hungered for knowing the truth. The Lord revealed to me many of His teachings to correct all the lies that I was made to believe. In a few years, He delivered me from all the ugliness of my experiences and gave me a crown of beauty. Prayer. Lord, thank you for recycling all the ashes into the beauty you have made me. Reflection. How can we easily recognize the beauty in the ugly experiences we encounter? If we are thankful, all the ugliness in our life will be seen in a different perspective. The Dodge saying an attitude of gratitude will change your life. So if we focus on the ugly, we will be whining and complaining. But if we focus on pure, lovely thoughts, as God was saying, that we have to fill our minds with pure, lovely, godly thoughts. Because once our thoughts shift into the negative, there are lots of things that could happen resulting from that. So if you're experiencing ugly stuff in your life right now, run to the Lord, for He will change that and convert those ashes for a crown of beauty. But you have to commit your life to Him so that He will be able to fulfill that promise in your life. Thanks for watching, and I hope you check my website at ilmaarts.com for more artworks and photographs. Have yourself a wonderful day. God loves you so much, and so do I.